Hello friends, so Nilotpal and I have created a mini project, BCD to 7 segment display decoder, and this is our beautiful lab. Here I have
Beautiful,
worked and here I think we are working
बहुत
from
प्रॉब्लम
since
करता है यार
oh, nice. So this is our setup. Everything is there, voltmeter, our soldering machine, everything, all the components we get here. Also the printing things, that the PCB layouts, that also we get from this lab. So actually we have all the setups, we have all the components, all the facilities to make the PCB, to design PCB, to make what are you doing? So to make the components, to make the PCB ready.
yeah
Paul, please show some PCBs. Paul, can you please show some PCBs?
yeah definitely
So these are some PCBs, and these PCBs are made here. So we have a very nice, very beautiful setups. Yes, yes. So our lab
nicely
is
shouldered actually.
yes, yes, yes. So actually, the facilities are at par. We can do
Yeah.
things here.
You can see this one